plant's structure and function. Different plants are different: root, stem, leaves, flowers and fruits, etc. help us to easily identify the plants around us. The part that grows from inside the seed towards the soil is called the radicle. The part that grows above the soil is called the plumule. The root that forms from the radicle grow into the ground. The root is thick near the ground and gradually tapers to a pointed end. This part of the plant growing below the soil for support is called root. Roots of some plants produce secondary roots that grow obliquely and spread far and wide in the soil. Roots support the plant. This type of root is called a taproot. Roots bear hair-like process near the root tips. These are root hairs. The root tip is delicate. This is the reason of the growth of the root. The tip is covered by cap-like structure called the root cap. The root cap protects the root tip from injuries. Thread-like or fiber-like roots arising from the stem are called fibrous root. Thus, there are two main types of root: taproots and fibrous root. Dicotyledonous plants have taproots. Monocotyledonous plants have fibrous root. Plant like maize, sugarcane, sorghum have two types of roots. Some roots are underground, whereas some grow from the stem just above the soil. The latter are called adventitious roots. Beside the normal functions like absorption of water and minerals, anchoring and supporting the plants, roots perform some other functions too. Roots show some modification to perform these additional functions. Some examples of such modified roots are aerial roots, stilts root, runner's root, breathing roots, etc. What would have happened if plant like tamarind, banyan and mango had fibrous roots? The fibrous root may not find enough water near the surface to feed at the big trees. Tap roots find water deeper in the ground where it's protected from evaporation. Why are the underground parts of plants like radish, carrot, beet and sweet potato thick, fleshy and swollen? Which part of the plant are they? Because they store food in the form of starch. These are the root part of the plant. Roots emerging from the trunk and branches of a banyan tree grow towards the soil. These roots are called prop roots. In the beginning, the banyan tree has very few prop roots, but later on their number increase so much that it appears like a small forest. In Kolkata, a 250 years old banyan tree in the Indian Botanical Garden covers a very large area. It is supported by thousands of prop roots.